After traversing through the main academic block, we have now reached the block which houses the central library, the auditorium, and the mechanical engineering department. Ma'am, what is so special about the central library at Arya?
Like we have a good collection of the books in terms of all the branches. Apart from this, there's a collection of e-books and the learning material. So that also is a part of, again, that's e-governing part, that is campuses. So if you talk about the best part, it's the centrally located, because from all departments, this is the center place of the campus. It's a beautiful built in the, it's easily approachable. So that is the area and all that covers. It's quite a huge area that we are covering for the central library. So apart from central library, we do have departmental libraries for every department. Like students prefer to come to central library, but apart from that, like if they have certain requirements of their departmental books, so we do have the facilities for that. We do have the auditorium that is around 500 sitting capacity in this particular auditorium. And we do have the mechanical engineering block in this department. So this is a 3-floor building which categorizes the library, the mechanical block and the auditorium.
So here we move on and have a closer look at the central library from inside, and the auditorium spaces over there.